Now next problem is based on synchronous machine. Determine the main dimensions. Main dimension is nothing but R and D for a 1000 kVA 50 Hz 3 phase 375 RPM alternator. Nothing but synchronous machine. The average air gap flux density is 0.55 Weber per meter square and ampere conductor per meter are 28,000. Use rectangular poles and assume a suitable value for ratio of core length to the pole pitch in order that bolted on pole construction is used, for which maximum permissible peripheral speed is 50 meter per second. The runaway speed is 1.8 times of synchronous machine. Calculate the runaway speed. Runaway speed is 1.8 times of the actual peripheral speed. Now the solution is, see here everything is given. See here they have given is the saline pole machine. In this saline pole machine again they have given here is bolted rectangular pole. So there are two types of poles. Last time I had explained the round pole and the rectangular pole. So here in rectangular pole L by tau is nothing but 1 to 5 we have to take. Last time I had explained. Now we have to find out the Q. Q formula you are knowing very well, kilowatt upon efficiency cos phi. But kVA 1000 kVA is given, that is nothing but Q is given 1000 kVA. We have to find out the C naught 11 B average AC kW in 10 raised to minus 3. Last time I had explained you that the same equation of induction motor is nothing but for the synchronous machine. So C naught we have calculated. Now Q C naught D square ln s, same formula. Q we are knowing, C naught we are knowing, ns we are knowing, ns 2a by p, number of poles p we have to substitute and we will get the ns. Now these all values we have to substitute in this above equation. Q is equal to C naught D square L ns. So we will get D square L. D square L we got it 0.9942 meter cube. Now we have to assume, see L by tau ratio already given 1 to 5 in between, so we have to take 2. We can assume 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So L is nothing but L by tau is equal to we have assumed. So L to tau formula pi d by p we have to substitute here. Then L we have got in form of D 0.392 D. So substituting the second equation in equation 1, so we will get the value of D 1.363 meter. So by substituting this value in equation, either in equation 2 or in equation 1, we will get L is 0.534 meter. Now peripheral speed VA is equal to pi D ns. So pi we are knowing, D we are knowing, ns we are knowing. So we got peripheral speed VA is nothing but 26.70 meter per seconds. But it is condition has been given that runaway speed is 1.8 times of VA. So 1.8 into VA. So 1.8 into VA we got it 26.7. So we got 48.06 meter per second. So this runaway speed is within the limit which has been given is 50 meter per seconds. So we got it 48.06. So that is nothing but within this 50 meter per seconds.